In this lesson, we're going to learn about the undo and the redo shortcuts on the Microsoft Excel workbook. Let's say, for example, I had made a mistake in the previous lesson and I wanted to undo all the actions that I had done since opening the workbook. What I simply need to do is go to the quick access toolbar and highlight this arrow named undo. Then if I want to undo a previous action which I had done earlier, I simply need to click on it again, and you can clearly see that changes have been implemented in the Excel worksheet. But if I want the changes to remain, I can redo them. So I simply go to the right arrow, then simply click on it once, or simply go to the drop down arrow next to it, highlight on it, then I can select all the actions that I want the redo actions to do. I can select it to do one at a go, or I can select it to do all of them at a go. So if I select to redo all of them at a go, simply highlight all of them, then click on it, and Excel is going to redo all the actions that I had undone. So if you do not have this redo or undo quick action shortcuts in the quick access toolbar, you simply need to go to this drop down arrow and make sure that in the customize quick access toolbar, the undo and the redo actions are selected. And that is how you undo and redo actions since from the beginning of the opening of your Excel workbook till the closing of your Excel workbook. You can undo so many actions at a go. So these are the most utilized actions on Microsoft Excel, and once you start doing a lot of calculations or a lot of data entry into Excel, they're really going to help you into see what you had done, what you had undone, and that will help you make quick judgment calls on what you want to redo or undo. See you in the next lesson.